we are going to look at what are the benefits of VSDC and how to create that. So there are so much of benefits. We can create videos through PPT and create videos through photos, create videos through online and edit the above content. Then we can insert the images between the videos also, and we can insert the audios, merge all the videos as the project and export the project. Finally, the export project we can upload it in the YouTube also. Then how we can download? So click on the Google or Yahoo, type VSDC screen recorder free versions. There are large number of free versions also available. So we can download it in the free version itself, more than enough. So type it and download it. So this is the screenshot I have downloaded and the downloaded the recorded software. So click on it. If you click on it, then it will ask save the file. Then it will be downloaded in your system itself. You can go here, down arrow is there means you can see it, or otherwise it will be available in the downloaded folders. So if you click means how many percentage it is downloaded, you can see it. Then we can view the window, then see how many percentage is completed, then how much time is left out. Then after downloading, so exe file is downloaded, so we should run it. As usual, the software we should run it. Click on run. Then it will ask which language. We can type it as English. Then OK. Then next. Then you should accept the terms and condition. I accept the agreement. Then click on it. Then click on next. Then next. Then also next. Then you can set the path. Automatically it will be saved in the program files. Flash integro it, the means it will be saved. Or if you want to change the path, you can change it. You can click on the browse button and you can change the D or E drive also. You can save it. Whatever you want, you can save it. Then next. Then also next. Then install. Click on install. Here install button is there, no? Then click on install. Then the file is installing in your system. Then wait for a few seconds. Then finish. Now the VSDC is on the desktop also, it will be appear. Or you can click on this the search buttons. You can click on it and then type VSDC. It will be VSDC, a video editor. It will be like this. So check untick. You can close the tick mark. And this is the home page of VSDC. So you are having there so much of icon is there. So now I am going to introduce very small part of VSDC only. So here you can screen capture is there. With the screen capture, you can set the images or folders or the PPTs, whatever are the word work. You can make it as a video. For example, I am going to take as the 2 videos for you. So first videos is, so go to the images. What are the images you want to make? All the images as videos. Go to the file and click on the screen capture. If you click on the screen capture, it will be like this only. You can select. So here also one folder will be there. So you can select the folders. So which folder it should be? We want to save the recorded file. So you can select. Don't forget it. Select it and start videos. So if you want to save, then start recording. Then if you click on the start recording, 3 small button is available, just like that. So it will appear here 1, 2, 3. So it will be appear if you, after selecting the start recording, click on the start recording, that button will be appear on this left bottom. The system's right bottom, your left top. Then the record, if you click on the red button, so click on the red button, record is going on. So if you want to pass it in the middle, so you can pass it in the pass button. If you click on the pass button means it will be pass. Then you can start. At the end of this record, then you can stop button also. Here some are there, so you can mark it as a pen. Like this pen, you can use it. So then after the record is over, it will become like the message box, it will appear. Then your recording is completed. Click OK. Then you can rename the record if you want. If you want to rename the record means, yes, I want to rename it as the small park. So the record number will be appear 00 something. Then I want to change the number. So then this all the three, all the images, 11, 11, 10 images become as a record. Then if you want to select another record means, you can select another folder and start recording. Then click OK. After completing, click OK. Then if you want to rename this, so I renamed the Gandhi Nagar. Okay. So what are the plant we have, what are the saplings planted in Gandhi Nagar residential area, put it in the another folder. Then there we are having so many numbers of park. That also put it in another recorded file. Then now we want to do in the video format. So we are having two videos. We want to merge it and give the title card. Then we want to mix the video, mix the audio. Then we can insert the photos at the end of the title card also. At the end of the card also we can insert it. How? Open the VSDC. Then click on this blank project. Okay, so here also if you want to change the project, if you want the name, okay, you can change it. Open the blank project, then yes, I told you, so you can change the project title, then finish. I renamed as Gandhi Nagar. So the project, so many numbers of project will be there. So I named it as the Gandhi Nagar. Then click on finish. Then this area. This is the area we are going to work. So now I want to insert the title card. So click on T. So text. So if you click there means then some box will be appear. Then click on OK. Yes, this will be appear. Here you can change if you drag it also small or big, whatever you want you can do it. So in that if you type something means it will be appear. Here title card. Then give the title and a subtitle. Then for the slide fixation of the durations. Then how many seconds that slide will run. You can give 2 or 3 seconds or 3 to 4 seconds, whatever you want. You can fix the here. It will be appear like this layer, one layer, two layer. So just like that it will come. Then fix the duration. Here you can change, click it and you can some box will be there. You can drag it also, no problem. So click in the open space, click in this space, then after click it. Or otherwise click on the layer. Which layer if you want, it will be highlighted will come. Then now I want to mix the audio, add audio. Then audio button is there. You can mix it also. Then I want to insert the video. Then already I have done 2 video files. No, then I want to open. Okay, right. Then Gandhinagar. Okay, then open. Then select the file. Then if you want to here, then folder will be there. Then you can select it. Then open. Then okay. Then apply. It will come. See? So it is there, next layer. Then if you want to add another video also, then click on audio, then open, then open, then OK, then here. See, then we are having two video files, one text file. Then you can give the title slide. Then you can insert the audios. No, I want to insert the BGMs. What are the mild record or the what are the videos? What are the audios? If you want, you can insert it. Then insert audios. Here audio button is there. Here audio button is there. If you insert the audio means you can click on OK. The audio file will be the lengthy one. So we want to split the audio file. So in the title place, the audio voice will be high. When you are going to speak in the video file, the audio voice should be reduced. So for that sake only, so we split the audio here. We want to split the audio here for that purpose. So you can click in the outside or the select the layer. If you select the layer means then selection will be appear. Here somewhat 3 dot will be appear. So at the time click on here itself. Then split will appear. So here the red color button is there, no? So if you click it there, then splitting will be here. Then in addition to that, next, then you can reduce the voice. Then if you click here, properties, right click properties, then you can give it to the minus. So minus means the sound will be in the very reduced manner. Okay, then your voice will be, so you have explained each and everything here, then your voice will be high. Then just like that you can do it. Then at the end you can give whatever you can give the say thanks, or you want to thanks to somebody else means you can do it. Then we want to export the project. So for that sake only, so here export project icon is there. Then you can give the file name. You can change the file name or you can use the same file, no problem. Then continue, click on continue. Then you should then export then your project. Already you are having title, then to video, then in the down audio, then final end one slide. That all are mingled or merged in the one file. Then exporting it will take minimum on the behalf of your length of this work. It will take time, minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Regarding your length of the file, it will take time. Then exporting project. Now see, the project is exporting. So now it become higher. Then at the end, completed. Okay, then click on OK. Then you can give yes. In addition to that, then you are having full video file. Then you want to upload it to the YouTube, no? By that only your students or faculties or friends, they can visit your video file. So for the sake only, already you are having mail ID, then from your mail ID also you can upload it. Here one icon will be there here. Then here if you click on this icon, it will ask upload video. Then you can select the video, which area it is there. Then you can you can select it. No, it should be made for video, not for the kids. Yes, you should visit on behalf of this video content, you can select this. Then if you click on more means, it will ask the tag. Then at the time, you can give so many keywords on the basis your video. So you can give, if you click on, if you give the keyword means, for example, plantation, that village, then your name, then environmental protection, whatever social activities, whatever keyword relevant to your video, you can give it. Then you can give it to that of upload to the blogger or in the Twitter or whatever it may be, Facebook, you can done it. Then at the end, your video is uploaded. Then this is your YouTube link. Then close it. So we prepared the sapling. So these YouTubes are prepared by myself only with the help of our research scholar of our university. So this one is the plantation of sapling in Gandhinagar and a small park. We are having many number of parks in the Gandhinagar. We planted sapling in the one small park. So this we prepared the video on the basis of the photos. This is also on the basis of the photos only. This one is the Tulukarpatti, our adapted village. We prepared the photo YouTube by myself only with the help of our research scholar. This one is regarding the multiple text file merged with the single files. Yes, now you are having one, for example, SPSS. You want to give to the demo on the online itself, on the system itself. And just like that, we prepared the BibExcel is one of the software for bibliometric analysis. I myself done it with the help of our student. Then BibExcel is there. Another thing is the digitization of the rare books in low cost in Tamil. That also prepared. Then the scanned images, this one is the scanned images. Then we want to edit the pages. So this one is the Scan Tailor is the free software and a PDF Converter is the free software. Then this is also done. Another thing is we done for the NSS unit. Our university is what are the activities done regarding the environmental protection and the enrich of mononomials in the university. We have done to the YouTube. All these 6 YouTubes are done in the VSDC only. Thank you very much.